Yo, what's up? It's Drew, y'all. We back with another one, and today we gonna talk about like 5 different ways you can make $500, man. You know what I'm saying? When I was on the come up, I used these same things. And for the first one I'm gonna talk about is not no order of which one make the most money. It's just a list, a random list of what I came up with. One of them, Instacart. Instacart, it was paying a lot of money. It was paying like one trip, $20, $30, $40, $50. You go in the grocery stores, you shop, you get the people items. But only one little kind of downfall is you still have to contact, the customer about, items that's out of stock. So that used to become a hassle because you used to have to replace it, and sometimes they had a replacement, and it just become real time consuming. When you come up with your, routine, going to the same grocery stores you starting to get used to, like Walmart, Jewels, you start to remember what things at, and it become more easy. The second thing I want to talk about, the second one is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is basically having something, finding something, and selling it. Like, it's apps you can download, and you can go into like Burlington, Ross, TJ Maxx, stores like that, and just scan and see how much it's going for on websites, different websites like Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, stuff like that. You can find something up in there that's probably going for $8, but when you scan it on Amazon, it's selling for $15, $16, $20. One thing I used to do is I used to go up in Burlington, Ross and stuff, stores like that, and I go into the shoe section, and I find like the biggest like soccer cleats, and baseball cleats and football cleats, like 13s, 15s, and I would scan them, see how much they going for, because it has some good ones like Nikes, Adidas, stuff, brands like that. So I scan it, see how much it's going for. It'll say like $45, $55, last sold for $34, last sold for $36, and it's on sale right here for $10. I'm in Burlington with it for $10, so I grab it, boom, grab the last two, boom, that's $20. $20, and I sell it for $50, $60. So that's two of them. Yard sales, you can even go to yard sales. You can try to find, antiques and stuff like that you can sell stuff like Pokemon cards, like old throwback stuff. Scan it, look it up, do your research, and just become more savvy, and you'll know what you look for. It might be something at the yard sale they selling for $2 and it's going for $100 on Amazon. I've seen it, trust me, I've seen it. Do your research. Another thing you can do is like Uber, DoorDash. I say DoorDash for sure because it's a little bit more safer. You ain't got people inside your car. You know what I'm saying? You just picking up food, dropping it off. You can sell stuff you got around your crib right now that you might have in your basement, video games you ain't played in a minute. You can monetize a skill that you have. You might be good at building, crafting wood. Create a YouTube channel about wood building, dog houses, making dog houses, you know what I'm saying? And just keep making them, stay consistent, monetize the videos. There you go. You just gotta find your niche. Fifth one, I say social media, man. You can run social media accounts without even having to show your face. You can not have to do a faceless social media account where you just drop inspiration quotes, motivational quotes every day, and build a following and monetize that, man. I'm telling you, it's different ways that you can do it. So I just wanted to give y'all some 5 that I got that I can just think of right now real quick. And I think of some more. I'm gonna drop another video on that.